Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mzchinchilla coming to you today with a new video. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, a Valentine's Day slay. So that's what I was going for. Some glitter eyes basically, and a nice wine red lip. Was wearing a nude lip before, and then I changed it to this red lip that I'm wearing. Well, it's wine red. I also added this Pump It Up lip plumper that I have from NYX, and this shade is in the color 14. It doesn't have a name. Guys, if you do not bake, I don't suggest that you do it. Don't do it. Baking ages you, okay? It ages you, and it also dries out your skin. But anyways guys, I want you to go ahead and check out this video. Remember to leave a thumbs up, remember to subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments and suggestions down below. Let me not draw this out any longer. Like I said guys, I really do hope you like this video and continue watching this if you want to see how I got this look. So I'll see you guys in my next upload. Thank you guys for watching.
Okay guys, so let's get started. First thing I went ahead and did is to prep my face. I exfoliated my skin and I moisturized. Now I'm going in with my Photo Loving NYX primer to just prime up my face a little bit. Absolutely love that primer. Then I'm going in with my red corrector. It's from LA Pro to color correct, because as you guys can see, I have some black spots that I don't like on my face, but we're gonna fix that. Now I'm going in with my foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. The smell of this foundation, it's absolutely amazing. It's by Black Opal and it's in the shade Truly Topaz. Now as you guys can see, Truly Topaz is a bit dark for me, but I don't care. I still love it. I love the way how it makes my skin looks. It makes my skin have this natural glowy, glow from within type of look. I don't know. And look at how well it covers all those spots when I use like the corrector with it. And you know what I love about this foundation also? The fact that it's a light wearing foundation. So during the day, your skin won't feel clogged. That's why I love using this foundation. Next thing I'm going in with is my LA Pro concealer again. This is in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just using that to basically help with the bags under my eye and also to prime my eyelids. Prep it for, you know, the eyeshadows and stuff. Oh, you need to get the sides of your nose, because as you guys know, if you do makeup, like the sides of your nose can get cracked, you know, so you have to blend that. I'm gonna go under my eye with a yellow corrector. I'm mixing two concealers for this look, okay? So I'm going under my eyes with the yellow corrector and I'm gonna mix it with Creamy Beige. Absolutely love Creamy Beige. That's my favorite concealer of all times. Don't know what my shade is gonna be in the summer, because I do get lighter in the winter time. So I'm just adding my concealer to the places that I want to bring forward. I'm gonna let that sit for a while, and I'm gonna go in with my brows. So today I'm using a brown eyebrow pencil. I'm just using the spoolie to get my eyebrows in place. So I'm going in with a brown eyebrow pencil. It's a very cheap eyebrow pencil that I picked up the beauty supply store. So you can use any brown eye pencil, like eyeliner, eye pencil, whatever you guys call it. So you can use any one of those to basically just fill in your brow. Now I'm taking my spoolie, as you guys can see, just blend everything. Then I'm going in with Creamy Beige again to just, you know, clean up the brow and arch it to my satisfaction. Oh, I'm going at the top of my brow. I totally forgot about that. I'm going at the top of my brow, doing the same thing that I did at the bottom with the same product, which is Creamy Beige. And yeah, my eyebrows are snatched. gonna blend out my under eye concealer after having it sit for a while, but I'm gonna just you know, sing a tune for you guys before I do that. Okay, get that out my system. Okay, are you done? So now I'm gonna take my sponge. I use the sponge to blend out my under eye concealer because my beauty blender tend to take away a lot of the product. So I'm using the sponge to go over my eyelid, under my eyes, to just blend out concealer that I used. Now it looks a little light to me, you know, on camera. I don't know, but you know what, we're gonna fix this because that's what we do. So yeah, I'm just blending out my under eye concealer. I normally go in with my powder at this point because once I leave my under eyes, they're gonna crease, so I make sure I go in with my powder. The powder that I'm using is from MAC and it's their foundation powder. It's the loose foundation powder in the shade Light. I did a review about this. So I'm just setting the areas that I added my concealer and I'm blending out the rest of the areas with the other side of the beauty blender. You know, just blend out the concealer that wasn't blended before, set those areas. So guys, what I went ahead and did, I baked a little bit because I have oily and combination skin. Sometimes my freaking face tends to crack around the nose area. That's why I bake, and that's why I look like, I don't know, someone's powder cake. That was a bad idea because I don't really like how my under eye looked after I wipe away the baking powder, so I'm not a baker. But in any event, let's go to the eyes. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm going in with my Morphe palette to do the eyes. First went with my transition shade. I'm darkening up the crease a little bit with a darker brown shade, and I'm using a blending brush, and the blending brush that I'm using is from e.l.f. It's a smaller, stiffer blending brush. The bigger brush that I'm using, that one is from Morphe, and I'm just making sure, you know, the eyes is where I want it to be. Now I'm going in with that gold glitter shade in the Morphe palette to just use as a base because I'm gonna use a glitter that I picked up at a beauty supply store. You can make sure you use any glitter product that you have. Basically just make your eyes pop a little bit. So I went in with that gold shimmer that I have, or glitter, whatever you guys want to call it. Eyeliners, yes, that's what it is. So I just went all the way over my eyelids with that because I was going for that look. I'm gonna go in with my liner and line my eyes. Now I'm using some mascara. I go into the bottom of my eyelid to smoke it out a little bit using that same transition shade, or that crease shade, that dark brown shade. Basically just smoke out the bottom of my eyes just a little. I'm going in with a black eyeliner. You can use whatever black eyeliner you have. We don't judge here, okay? To just line your waterline. Then I'm taking my C45 powder to blend everything into one. So the powder all over my face so that I set my foundation. Contour kit from BR Cosmetics. This is my favorite contour kit. This is going to be a repurchase of mine because I absolutely love the product. Yes, it looks a little bit dark on camera because it's very pigmented, so you have to be light-handed when you are picking this product up. Just blending out the product just to snatch my cheeks a little bit because, as you guys can see, I have a really fat face. Going in to basically just put my lashes on, and the glue that I used was the duo glue. and I'm adding some mascara to the bottom lash and my lashes as well, and I'm just basically just contouring my forehead, contouring my chin section, or you know, the double chin section. Then I'm contouring my nose. Same powder that I use for my cheeks and my forehead, that's what I use to contour my nose, because you don't want any confusion on your face. Everything needs to be blended. The blush that I'm using is from LA Pro as well. Yes, it's one of those palettes. I forgot the name of it. We'll list it down below. I'm just blending everything in with my what's this thing called? My Milani bronzer. That's what I just went over my face with. And then now I'm adding my glow with my BR Cosmetics palette again in the medium to dark palette. So I'm just adding a little bit of gold in the tear duct of my eye, and then I'm doing my lips now. Okay, the lips that I'm wearing, one is from MAC. It's nude lips. One is from MAC in the shade Honey Love. It's one of the matte lipsticks. And then the lip gloss is called Skin Tone, and that is from NYX Cosmetics. So that will conclude the look, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I didn't record an outro, so I'm thankful that you guys clicked on this video, and if you like it, please to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.